In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download this app from Flarto developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!